Backpacking, you just take the bare minimum of stuff like my rain gear, some food, a little bit of water, and that's it. And that's what you take for the day. Makes everything a lot lighter.
Wanted to buy it, they wouldn't sell it to him, so he made his own. And it's in Farmers Museum now.
Alright, welcome to day 65. We're back here at Hughes Gap. We came down that way, and we're heading over that way. There goes my ride, so now I have to make it. We're making pretty good progress and elevation. Gotta get up and over this little hump. I'm doing alright, sweating like a pig because it's humid out. I think that's Roan Mountain up there, but got a ways to go still. Kind of in this little flat spot. Just had a trail runner go by me. But this is nice in here. Got some sort of hooved animal, like a deer or something, in front of me. Fresh tracks. Never know, might see them. The first one on the trip. We're headed out there where the spruce trees live and see what we can find on top. Nice little camping spot. Water down that way apparently with the blue blazes. And now we got a mile and a half to get to the first top from here. So that won't take all day, hopefully. Not a bad path, hopefully it widens out just a teeny bit. A lot of roots down here. Just passed some people, and we're headed up now. Trees are going to change from these nice broadleaf trees up to conifers. We're getting up in elevation. I think the tops are around 6,200 feet, so see if it gets hard to breathe. Well, the morning view is very green. It poured rain yesterday. Trail is not muddy, it's just wet. And we're headed up to Roan Mountain, which is a bald, so there won't be any trees on top. We'll probably be up in the clouds, and that's about another 3 miles away. So nice to see the sun out today. There's a few clouds, the sun may not last, but it's just so green up here. About halfway up. It's just getting prettier. but we gotta keep going. I think we're higher up than anything around now. And a little valley down there goes into Roan Mountain, town of Roan Mountain. Pretty day where the clouds meet the mountains. Might just have a little view up here. That'd be cool. I was told yesterday that it gets a little heartbreaking and just look around and see the devastation of a bad storm and people that have cut the leftovers out of the trail, and we're near the top, you can see, but this is just bad. But it'll grow. Not in my lifetime, but it'll grow. A little slick here. Well, the way to the Roan High Knob shelter up there is closed. Fortunately, we're still heading down, but looks like somebody kind of blocked that off. They're going to rebuild the shelter. It'll be open next year, in 2026. So we're just going to head down to the parking lot now. All right, trees are mostly down here. We gotta go that way. Let's have a little look down here though. Used to be a hotel up here. Go out here and have a little look. Interesting. Place for a hotel. Hopefully there's a road up here. Can't quite see all the way around, so we'll go climb the next one and see what that does. Today's lunch spot on top of one of the Roan Mountain balds here. With these spruce trees up here. Well, downhill from the top is just kind of full of water and rocks. Probably be like this to the bottom. We got plenty of time and we're gonna get there. Just taking my time. Already rolled an ankle about a couple of times, so kind of normal. But this isn't quite as chewed up on this side. And it's pretty in its own way, and we're still among the trees, the hemlocks and the spruce. Well, tomorrow we'll leave from there and go up that hill, but not today. Today we're done. We're now waiting for my ride. This isn't up here. A lot of people are up here at Carver's Gap. It's kind of close to town. And North Carolina, I seem to get turned around here. We're not going south, so we're going north, which puts Tennessee on the left on the map and North Carolina on the right. But there's my ride, waiting for me 10 minutes early. Yay. All in all, a pretty good day. I'm glad Quack is back. He got picked up about 4 today, so we slack packed successfully, and tomorrow we'll rest a bit and slack pack again on Thursday, about 15 miles. And the plan is to leave here Friday at 9 to go to Damascus for trail days and have a ride for that, and spend the weekend there, and then, you know, take a week off and rest and get a little stronger, and then come back and continue on from the station here at 19E and head over to the Blue Trough Hostel and make our way back to Damascus and then continue north. So that's the plan. Not feeling too bad after walking today. Felt pretty good. But got a long way to go. Appreciate your support. And time to go to bed a little earlier tonight, I think, and rest up. Because tomorrow we'll find new things to do. Might head into a restaurant in town, who knows. But this place will serve my needs for the rest of this week while I pack and hike and rest. Have a good night, and we'll see you in the morning.